Going on YouTube? It's your boy Mint, and we're back in with another video. And today I have a cool, pretty speculative NFT project I want to go over today and share with you all. It's called Mutant Cats. So I found out about this project a few days ago, and the mint was live yesterday for about, I believe, 0.25 Ethereum. I was not able to successfully get any at mint, but I did buy two out in the secondary for about 0.3 ETH. And since then, it's been climbing. And I just see a lot of potential with this project if by association of the Cool Cats NFT project. So if you don't know what Cool Cats NFT is, I would want to say it's a blue chip in the NFT space. And from here, you can see that this project has been climbing and will be able to, make similar gains to Bored Ape Yacht Club or even CryptoPunks in the far future. So what essentially Mutant Cats is that it's essentially a DAO that is community-led and utilizes the purchase of Cool Cats NFTs that is placed in the community DAO and then is fractionalized into fish tokens, which are then distributed to holders. Here you can see what the process essentially is that, they're purchasing Cool Cats, they fractionalize, and then give out fish tokens. And this is a result of staking your Mutant Cat. So there hasn't been much details about the staking yet, but in theory, I would assume that it's going to have a lockup period, so it's going to kind of hold back the supply from selling, and it's going to slowly raise the floor over time. In addition, there's also going to be NFT drops, periodical claimable NFTs, and then more future utility. And this is going to be within a community DAO, so it's exclusive with voting rights to the NFT holders. But outside of that, there's not a lot of information on their site. This does pose a flag in my eyes, is that they don't have a doxed team. And, with anon teams, it could be good, it could be bad, you never know. There's a lot of successful projects that had anon teams, but at the same time, you don't know who you're trusting at this point. And so that's why I go back and say this is a very speculative play. You need to weigh your pros and cons and see if it's worth investing into. My reasoning is that just by sheer association with Cool Cats NFT, that this project will follow the path. If they're going to be giving passive staking rewards to NFT holders by buying Cool Cats that will appreciate over time, this project should appreciate over time as well. And Cool Cats at the moment is sitting around 14 ETH, so that's almost $40,000. If we hop over to OpenSea, you can see that Mutant Cats is sitting at about 0.329, 0.33 ETH floor. And the mint was around 0.2 or 0.25, I believe. I saw last night that it went up as far as 0.5. So there is demand for this project. And it was relatively hard to get the floor when I was trying to purchase on secondary. So it took a couple tries, but I was successful. As far as price predictions, I really can't say. I think this will have the potential to reach 1 Ethereum floor at the minimum if they deliver on the staking aspect, as well as getting their community government DAO set up as well. Also, coming over to the rankings, you can see as that this project was released yesterday. It is 1 day old, and it's already ranked number 10 in new projects. They had over 2,000 Ethereum already actively traded. They're holding a floor, and they're evenly distributed over 4,000 members. So this is a very good sign that there is a variety of demand for the project, and there aren't a lot of paper hands. As this still is a fairly speculative play, I'm keeping a distance and kind of being cautious without as much transparency as I would like for this project. So I was able to get 2 of these Mutant Cats after the mint in the secondary market for about 0.3 each. And so my plan is to sell about once they get to 0.6, 0.7, and then, now I'm break even. I keep my other Mutant Cat and let it ride the wave. I really do hope that this project will deliver, and upon that delivery, I have faith that the floor will rise. And if Cool Cats is going up, then Mutant Cats will go up by default as well. So if we hop over to the Twitter, we can see that they're a relatively new account with 2,800 followers, and they don't have many active members in their Discord either, just a few thousand. And the fact that they were able to sell out at mint is a good indication that there was a lot of demand, and the people that are purchasing this have a lot of faith and conviction in the project. Here you can see they purchased their second Cool Cat for the Mutant Cat DAO. This is from Beanie Max, and it was for $101,000. And they're kind of just going over about how they're going to be utilizing these Cool Cats to fractionalize and distribute fish tokens to, earn passive income. So here, I definitely recommend, if you're interested in the project, to give them a follow, look at who they're interacting with, take a peek through crypto and NFT Twitter, because this is where I learn a lot of the information that I do know. So even with not a large following, the Mutant Cats collection is still distributed between 4,000 owners. That is a good distribution, and that shows a varying degree of interest. And if we hop over to their Discord over here, and by the way, all the information is going to be in the description below. Take a peek into Discord, see the conversations people are having. This is how I gauge out the interest in the community. Different people in here, different opinions, the general sentiment of the project. And in their announcement section, they pretty much outline everything they plan on doing for the project. And so here are some things to take note. At the moment, they currently don't have the community DAO configured. They still plan on developing that to where we can integrate with the project to voice our opinions and make choices during certain decisions. But, that's still what they aim to do. And, if they're showing progress and as you follow along the project in the community and they're giving proper announcements that are backed with actual output or products, you can rest assured that they aren't trying to scam you. Here they'll talk about their staking program, how much they'll allocate in royalties towards the Cool Cats vault, and other things of that nature. So, once you join and you get verified, you can start making decisions with the community, and it's community-led, so that's a big deal with a lot of NFT projects. If you can have more decentralization, it's kind of core to this, and, less centralization, less chance of getting rugged, or things of that nature. Well, that's all I had for the video today, guys. This is a very speculative project, but I think there is a high chance of it going up with Cool Cats over time. It's the first of its kind, and I think it's got a lot going for it. If they can deliver on the actual passive income and staking aspect, as well as developing the community DAO to show that everyone has a certain allocation to the decisions made by the project, I think it has a bright future and something I personally will be investing in. But this is not financial advice. This is NFTs and cryptocurrencies. So do your own research, and thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.